guys, welcome once again to another episode of Bars Talk and Bars Beats. Now today in the program we will discuss the latest decision that was handed down by the UK Privy on the faith of Vybz Kartel and his 3 co-accused. Now if you're new to the channel, just remember to subscribe, and if you want the latest video, click the bell. Now the UK Privy Council has handed down their judgment on Adidja Palmer and his 3 co-accused. Now they have opted to quash the conviction of Vybz Kartel, better known as Adidja Palmer, Sean Storm, Kahira Jones and Andre St. John's. Now what this means is that they decided that the conviction that was handed down to them were not justified, and it's on the ground of the jury that was, according to them, was tainted. Let me give you a history now. Vybz Kartel and his cohort were convicted of a 2011 murder charge that was laid against them for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. Now Clive Lizard Williams was a producer and he was in the Vybz Kartel Portmore Empire camp. Now the allegations are that they took him and dismembered his body and had him disappeared, and until this day his body was not found. So he was convicted. Him and the other guys were convicted in 2014, where they are currently serving their time. So what this means for Vybz Kartel and the court, that the matter will be sent back to the local court for them to make a decision. Now the decision that the local court has to make is one of the 3. Either they order a retrial, they set them free, or they decide that they will have to serve their time. So also what this means again is that for now, Vybz Kartel and the co-accused who are currently incarcerated, they should, and I say should, they should be given bail until this decision is made. Now let me see if Jamaica goes through with a retrial. What would have caused it? Would Vybz Kartel's matter is it has caused Jamaica the most for a trial in its history. It was a 60-day trial, which at the time it was the longest trial in Jamaica history at the time. So do Jamaica want to go back through that period of trial, or do they want to just let it go? Or they said Vybz Kartel have done his time. It's up to them to make that decision nevertheless. But what you think in the court of public opinion, what do you guys think? Let me know, or post your comment in the comment section. And as usual, it's Duprick from Bars Talk. Have that.